bikini bottom has never looked better.
But it's covered in mysterious cosmic gel. Cassandra, please help! We have to find my house! Without that, I'm just a common talking sponge.
Sorry, Spongy, I'm just a little preoccupied fixing the fabric of the entire universe that you blew apart.
Cassandra, will you please help us fix my house?
Sure, right after we fix your friends, your town, the cosmic order of everything.
Oh, my beautiful home!
And a delicious pineapple. Here, why don't you take this cosmic costume and enter the portal?
Yo-ho! What be a pirate's favorite cheese? Fingers crossed my pineapple is still in one piece. This world is pretty neat, but I hope none of our other friends got dragged here.
Pie, wanna be pirate? What's a pineapple pie?
You really are my best friend.
What's a pineapple pie? I'm coming to get you! I'm coming to get you!
Incoming pastries! We need to get off this beach, Patrick!
But I'm just dying for a little pie.
Not today, you're not. Come on, we'll hide in that weird cave.
Prepare to be scared with the haunting memory of me ghostly ghost. Oh, who am I kidding? I couldn't scare a baby right now. Without me ship, I'm just a pathetic ghost of my former self.
Gosh, that's terrible. What happened, Mr. Dutchman?
That son of a kelp-eater Admiral Prawn has stolen me beloved ship.
Withered broccoli ahead. Never mind, it's just the Flying Dutchman.
He has my pineapple, too? That fruit-stealing freebooter is taking this too far. Mr. Dutchman, sir, you have to get your ship back so I can get my pineapple back.
But prawns out all me precious socks. No pirate worth their salt would follow a sockless captain. And if I can't round up a crew, we won't stand a chance against the Admiral.
You don't need socks to be a pirate. Why, Patrick here has never worn socks a day in his life.
I don't even have feet.
So, if you need a couple of loyal sea dogs, Patrick and I will gladly join your crew, socks or no socks.
All right, but first, ye scalawags, you must prove that ye are real pirate material. To show that you are worthy, you must unearth a real treasure.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Earn yourselves fearsome pirate names.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
And find all me socks! I still want 'em back.
Aye, aye, Captain Dutchman, sir!
Aye, aye, Captain Dutchman, sir!
Uh-oh, I forgot to pack the sunscreen.
Well, I guess I could use a tan.
But what if we get bleached and shrivel up?
Well, I guess I could be a little paler.
Gee, I hope nobody needs... Oh, I'm getting notes of rancid kelp.
Hey, think like a meatball. Go somewhere else.
Gotcha, cover my buns. You can hold this one, Patrick.
Whoa, righteous!
Ooh, more jelly. Wow, I can... Arr, these socks be saltier than a sea dog. You really are my best friend.
my gosh! Real-life pirate ships! I want to...
Hey, you! Could you get rid of those jelly abominations? I'm always up for a sun bath, but if you could hurry, that would be great. SpongeBob? Patrick? You're here too? I thought it was just me and the anchovies. How did we get here?
We can talk about that later. What's important right now is getting you and the anchovies and my pineapple back to Bikini Bottom. Say, where are the anchovies?
That obnoxious shrimp rounded us up and made his jelly minions stick us to shipwrecks all over the lagoon. He said we're not pirate material. It isn't my fault I have a severe eye patch allergy.
Don't lose heart, Larry. We're going to rescue every Bikini Bottomite who's stuck here, or our names aren't SpongeBob and Patrick the pirate guys.
That's not a very fearsome pirate name.
We're working on it.
Thank you, SpongeBob. I'm going home to tan and pump.
That swamp looks kind of eerie, like the kind of place you'd find pirate ghosts. Bye-bye!
Me.
Order up! Jelly! Spread your wings! I've never seen a fish like this! do care. Gee, Patrick, if you were a lamp, I'd give you a glowing review. I feel like... The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me. Oh, thank you, Patrick. Thank you. You really are my best friend. Well, at least it's not spitting on me. Sticky sweet. Me. All these abandoned ships, Patrick. Ooh, I'll bet if we dusted off these wrecks and hoisted his socks up their flagpoles, it would look like the Dutchman has a whole armada. Then everyone would know he's back.
SpongeBob, that's a pretty good plan, but flagpoles don't have any feet. How you gonna get the socks on them?
Very carefully, Patrick. Let's go. Patrick. Now let's find the others and become real pirates.
All we are is socks in the wind.
Sticky sweet. A little dab will do ya. Ooh, that's a big sandcastle.
Must be where the king of sand lives.
Arr, these socks be saltier than a sea dog. I've never seen a fish like this. Oh, thank you. That should cover my buns. I'm feeling better already. Yoink.
Avast ye! Before ye stands a notorious pirate captain, Pinzarosa. I need some saps, a crew, who can share me treasure. Wait, no, yeah, I meant treasure that time.
Oh boy, treasure!
Right! Well, you seem deserving and present. Now, to share me treasure, you'll first have to get it out of an old shipwreck. It ran off course and hit some rocks in the middle of the lagoon. Someone who was totally not me must have been holding the map upside down. Anyhow, I would get the treasure myself, but I'm far too rich to do a crewman's work.
Lucky day indeed, Patrick. With that treasure, we can prove we're real pirates.
Technically, you won't be, though. I can't be bothered with the bureaucracy of registering a new crew, or paying for them.
Will we at least get real pirate names?
Sure, why not?
Then we're ready. Blech, so slimy.
It looks like a pretty mermaid is sunbathing. That's my favorite kind of bathing. She's pretty.
Pardon me, miss. Why so glum?
Because I totally lost my joy, and without it I can't sing, which is totally not cool for mermaids and stuff.
Maybe it's in your fridge. Whenever I need joy, I can always find it in my fridge.
The last time I had my joy was when I was dancing with my girlfriends, but they're not here, and even if they were, there's no music.
But music is everywhere. All you need are some instruments in your hands and a little rhythm in your heart.
SpongeBob, let's make some music. Then maybe we could go on a dance date?
Sure, as a friend. I promised myself I'd never date a balloon again. Also, I'm way more into dating pirates now anyway.
What about balloon pirates?
Come on, Patrick. I'll bet we can find some stuff floating around that we can use as instruments. Then we can serve up some music.
I don't get it.
Oops, sorry.
I wish I was like.
You heard?
I wish I was like.
You heard?
Oops, sorry.
You helped me, even though this was like totally not your problem. To show my gratitude, I will grant you like a wish or whatever.
I wish that SpongeBob and I could reach the treasure on the grounded ship so we could become like, you know, like totally date-worthy pirates.
Like, have a safe flight, my melodic friends.
Ooh, more jelly. This constant air travel seems a little unsafe. Shipwreck! We should look for lost treasure.
Well, it'll just be regular treasure when we find it.
A little dabble do ya? Pie in the sky!
You cannot run forever, but I will certainly make you try.
Shiver me timbers! You're alive? I mean, welcome back! You truly earned your pirate names! From now on, you shall call yourselves... I don't know, whatever you can think of.
Hey, you never said there'd be thinking involved. I have a mermaid to impress, so you better make good on your promise.
Come about with that volume, me air-headed lad, before you alert the Lagoon Guard. They're a ruthless bunch who'll stop at nothing to get their fins on me treasure. So, of course you'll be compensated for all your thinking with this beautifully crafted treasure chest. Contents not included.
Wow, the chest is the best part! Anything you put in a treasure chest becomes treasure. I should let Gary sleep in there.
Okay, fine. But I still want a cool pirate name.
Boom appetit!
Ooh, more jelly! Incoming pie!
Say good pie!
Get you! I'm coming to get you!
These dusty old cannons still pack a punch, no?
I'm flying!
I am going to run you ragged!
You do care! here. Uh-oh, not goo.
I'm coming to get you! You cannot run forever, but I will certainly make you try. I am going to run you ragged.
Pie in the sky! Sorry, nothing personal.
So good, these restraints are so tight, I can't feel my leg anymore.
I think your leg will be okay, as long as you stay away from termites.
My leg!
A little dabble do.
Are you real pirates yet?
Well, we do have a real treasure chest.
The Dutchman's sock treasure!
The finest.
Let me show you how a real pirate uses these cannons. I wanna be pirates.
I think he lost his pants. No more chafing.
Get you!
Say goodbye.
Aw, it's kind of cute for a deadly costume.
I wanna be pirates.
Look at me go! Ooh, more I'm feeling better already.
I'm going to get you.
I think he lost his pants.
I wanna be pirates.
We're taking back this ship, Prawn. And my pineapple.
What's the matter, Rectangle Boy? Pining for something special? I will make you walk the plank.
The only thing I will be walking is the road of friendship, and that road leads right to Victory Town, so bring it on. Not back you! That should cover my butt. Yes! We are very close to defeating Admiral Prawn. The Dutchman will be so happy, he probably won't even eat our souls. I'm feeling better already.
I get you! Ah! Crew, howl with me, that we might set the seven seas ablaze with fear! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Little dabble do ya?
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a shrimp by the toe and crush him.
Ahem.
Fine, no crushing.
Aw, home sweet pineapple. Let's get you back to Bikini Bottom, huh? Next stop, 124 Conch Street. Phew! My beautiful home is back. Home sweet pineapple. But it isn't home without Gary. Patrick, we have to find him.
What are you doing, Plankton? Get your chum off me buns!
Sounds like Plankton and Mr. Krabs are getting along great.
Maybe I should check on him, just in case.